Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the reservation contact in the Alaska Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then scroll down a bit and click on the Contact Us button. And within this section, click on the Reservations button. And as you can see, there are two contacts given to this, so you can either give them a call or text them, and both of them are available 24 hours a day. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.